Now we'll start with first experiment, that is micrometry, measurement of microorganisms. In microbiology, after microscopy, the major experiment is micrometry. We should be in a position to understand this. Now I'll share this video. Hello, Madhavi.
No.
Permission. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No, a video share I need to do.
Yeah, it's coming, sir. You can start, sir.
Okay. No, for this I don't have a video, but another one. Okay. So we'll learn something about calibration of microscope for measuring the size of the bacteria. So generally, we'll be using the stage meter and ocular meter for calibration of for doing the micrometry. And you can see here, the left side you will be having the stage micrometer, and the right side will be having the ocular micrometer. Stage meter is the one which we will be keeping on the slide, and the ocular meter is the one we will be keeping in the eyepiece. So there are 5 steps here for the measurement of bacterial size. Yeah, first stage micrometer, there will be a stage micrometer. You need to calculate the size of each division. Generally, and the second step is you need to put these two, stage and ocular micrometer, in one rectical scale. Second step. So these are the 5 steps. Then you need to count at each magnifications. You need to count what is the size of each division in ocular micrometer. Then you need to put your bacteria or whatever the object that you want to measure the size. Then you need to measure how many divisions that it is occupying. Then with calibration factor, you need to divide. Normally, what we'll do in routine microbiology laboratory, we'll take 10 stage micrometer, 10 divisions of stage micrometer, and we'll see how many ocular micrometers are superimposing. The correct method, if you see, the first stage is concerned calculation of division, each single division size in case of your stage micrometer. Stage micrometers are 2 types, generally 1 millimeter size and 0.1 millimeter size. Generally, we'll be using 1 millimeter size. So in 1 millimeter, that is 1000 microns. Total length is 1000 microns, and it is having the divisions. How many? 100 divisions are there. So 1000 by 100 is equal to, that is 10 microns. Okay. So this is the way to calculate the size of the one division in stage micrometer. So this first phase is over. Then in the second phase, you need to overlap. You need to put your ocular micrometer in the eyepiece. You need to put it in the eyepiece. See, this is the, after putting, we'll be superimposing. There's we'll be putting both the thing, ocular and stage micrometers are ready now. These two are aligned, and in the third step, the alignment, you should do the alignment as said that 2 points of zeros should superimpose on one another like this. These are being superimposed at one another. Okay. Now instead of taking only 10 units, instead of taking normal, what we will do is only 10 we will be taking. Whereas best method is you take all 100 divisions of your stage micrometer and count how many ocular micrometers are superimposing on it. The number of stage micrometer divisions here is 100. Okay, and number of eyepiece, that is ocular meter divisions, how many it is occupying, you can see here. This how many? It is 45 divisions are being occupied. So if it is a, so each division measures how much? 10 microns that we have seen. Each stage micrometer occupies 10 microns. So Devendra, can you remove this side? Okay. దీన్ని పైన పంపించేటట్టు చూడు. 22 microns. So this is we did with the 45x. Now we need to do with different magnifications. See, for your practice, I have kept another magnification. So here again superimposing has been done. Number of stage micrometer divisions is 100. As usual, you should take only 100. Normal standard books refers for the 10, but always you go with the 100 stage micrometer divisions, and you see how many oculars are superimposing in that one. That is 91. So that is the standard stage micrometer size is 10. Then that one eyepiece at particular magnification, that is 11 microns. 11 microns. Each eyepiece division will be 11 microns at 90x. 90x is the multiplication of eye and objective piece. You must be having a confusion that we don't have a 90x. So repeat the same thing. Calibration you repeat with different magnifications. Eyepieces we are having 10, 15, and this objective pieces you are having 10, 40, 45, 100. So you compare with the different things. So you will be getting these readings. See at 45x, so you create a chart for the different magnifications. See, you create magnification. See, generally we'll be keeping the eyepiece constant. We don't disturb the eyepiece every time, but only the objective piece is being rotated. It is being changed. So you calibrate by taking different objective pieces. So you are doing the calibration for that combination, the eyepiece and objective piece put together. You are doing this calibration, this magnification, whatever the calibration that you are getting, not for single eyepiece. Okay. Now after getting this this calibration factors, see here 22, 11, 8 microns, that is for one single division. Now you take your bacteria or whatever the thing that you want to see, you create a table for making it easy. Now you measure your bacterial size. See here you will be having slide on which your bacteria or some pollen grains or artifacts, whatever the thing that you want to measure, you'll be and ocular meter is there in your eyepiece, and you see how many divisions it is overlapping, and you know the calibration factor at that particular magnification. So you measure how many divisions are there and you multiply with that's a calibration factor, then you will be getting the size of that particular bacteria or particular object that you are going to measure the size. This is the how here the key factor what you need to remember is you take complete 100 divisions of the stage meter and see how many ocular divisions are overlapping on it. This will give you the accuracy. Whereas now if you are taking 10, 10, there is a possibility of a little bit error.